Hi everyone, welcome to Learning with Liebenhaut. My name is Brian Hesser. I'm the Family Law Associate Attorney here at the Law Office of Matt Liebenhaut. I'm here today to talk to you about child pickup orders. For example, when there's an emergency and a parent needs to have their child returned to them. First of all, child pickup orders are used by the judge. They're granted by the court to return a child when there is an emergency situation on hand. That situation has to be negatively affecting the child or against court orders. Most common examples are emergencies that would be that the child is not being returned to one parent by the other parent when they're supposed to legally. If a parent is taking the child out of the state without consent of the other parent, if there's proof of neglect, abuse, rape, substance abuse, any situation like that that is putting the child in harm's way negatively in an emergency setting, one thing that has to be proven is that it is truly an emergency. And the judges, especially locally here in Tallahassee, they really do have to be shown an emergency. They don't take lightly the word emergency, otherwise you can use the term expedited, which means that it's not quite to the level of an emergency. And you also have to have proof of said emergency. Without that proof, without showing that it is an emergency, then your child pickup order may not be granted. If the child pickup order is granted, the local sheriff's office will receive the order wherever the child is. So if the child is in Georgia, wherever they are in Georgia, the local sheriff's office in Georgia in that city in Georgia, will receive it and go and retrieve the child and bring them back to you. I hope that answered some of your questions about emergency child pickup orders. Don't forget, I've said the word emergency quite a bit. It has to be an emergency. You have to be able to show proof that the child is not where he's supposed to be or is in danger, has been abused, has been neglected, something along those lines. It truly has to be an emergency. That's all I've got for you on child pickup orders. I hope that was helpful for you all, and I hope that if you're in a situation where you do need to have a child pickup order granted by the court, that you take our advice through this video. Don't forget to like Liebenhaut Law on Facebook, subscribe on YouTube, follow us on Instagram and Twitter, and don't forget, when in doubt, call Liebenhaut.